Good morning. Next article from this unit is logical data. Before this article, we talked about various types of data items used in Fortran. These data items corresponding to various types of variables and constants we studied earlier in Fortran. We studied integer variable, integer constant, real variable, real constant. Real variables may be further used in various ways: fractional real constant, exponential real constant, etc., etc. Just similar to these data items, in this article we are going to talk about logical data, which will be corresponding to logical variables and logical constants. When we talk of logical variables and logical constants, we will encounter logical expressions. So, various logical expressions are used using logical variables and logical data, and the expressions can be solved to give some result that will be again logical result. When we talk of logical constants, there are only two types of logical constants: true or false. True or false, these are only the logical constants. Let us suppose that you have written these conditions: arithmetic conditions. Arithmetic expressions. We can write large number of such arithmetic statements. What is this arithmetic statement? A greater than b, x is equal to a greater than b, y is equal to a less than equal to b, a is equal to b greater than 0. How to write this in the form of logical expressions? These are the arithmetic expressions. How to write these arithmetic expressions in the form of logical expressions? When we are asked to write these in logical expression form, this can be written as this can be written this way, this can be written this way, this expression can be written this way, this expression can be written this way. Okay, so these are the ways of writing logical expressions. If you don't want to put here dot aq dot aq dot aq dot, even you can use here equal to. This is also allowed. So these are various ways of writing logical expressions. How to define logical variables? There should be some way of declaration of logical variables. Let us see the way of declaration of logical variables. After that, we shall see how to read logical constants and how to print logical constants. That will complete logical data. Declaration. Let me go to the declaration. Declaration of logical variables. The format is this. This is the general format or syntax. This is the general format or syntax for declaration of logical variables. Logical is the statement used to declare logical variables. This is list of variables v1, v2, v3, v4, etc. separated by commas, which are logical variables. This is list of logical variables v1, v2, v3, v4, etc. separated by commas. For example, logical a comma b comma c. A is logical variable, b is logical variable, c is logical variable. Logical value true is assigned to a. Logical value false is assigned to b. Logical value true is assigned to c. This way, we can declare any logical variable, and using such statements, we can assign logical constants, logical data to the logical variables. As I told, logical data or logical constants are of only two types, either true or false. There are only two types of logical constants, either true or false, and therefore these logical variables are assigned these logical constants. This is about declaration of logical variables. After having known how to declare logical variables and how to assign logical data to logical variables, let us try to get the idea of how to read logical variables. Reading logical variables. Reading logical variables. Let me write a small program to understand how to read logical variables. This is very small program just to understand how logical constants are read by the logical variables. Logical A, B, C are the variables. The word logical declares that A, B, C are the logical variables. As you see, they are separated by commas. Read asterisk comma 2. Asterisk for default input device, 2 for the format. 2 is the line number of format statement A, B, C. The format of a logical variable is always defined by this symbol LW. L format corresponding to logical data, W corresponding to width of the logical data. What I have done here? 3 times L4. Meaning of 3 times L4, whatever data you provide, A will be 4-digit logical data, B will be 4-digit logical data, C will be 4-digit logical data. Let us suppose that you write this way. Let me write anything. Now see what will happen here. 1x space is left. L4. Format of A is L4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 letters will be read by A. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 letters will be assigned to B. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 3 letters are assigned to C. If first letter of this word is T, true will be assigned to A. If first letter of this word is T, true will be assigned, true will be assigned. But what do you find? First letter of this word is not T. First word of this letter is not T. First word of this letter is not T. And so false is assigned to A, B and C. What data assigned from the input? False, false, false data is assigned to input. Instead of that, if you enter this way, one, two, three, four, first letter is T, true will be assigned to A. 1, 2, 3, 4, first letter is T, true will be assigned to B. 1, 2, 3, 4, first letter is E, false is assigned to C. Okay, so this way whatever you type for values of A, B, C, depending on this format, whether it is L4, L5, L6, L7, L8, first letter of that word will be verified, will be examined. If that letter is T, this way, true will be assigned to A, true will be assigned to B, F will be assigned to C. If first letter of the word assigned to A, inputted for A is T, true assigned to that variable. If first letter is not T, false will be assigned to that variable. This is how reading logical variables. Okay. After having known reading of logical variables, the next thing is printing of logical variables and constants. Instead of variables, let me just put here data. The next thing we are going to talk about the logical data is outputting or printing logical data. Let us see how to output or how to print the logical data. For that, again I have to write a small program. I have written a small program to understand printing of logical data, how to print logical data. X, Y, Z are the logical variables declared by this statement. Then these logical variables x, y, z are assigned logical values. X assigned true dot true dot, y assigned false dot false dot, z assigned false dot false dot. Write asterisk for default output device, 2 statement number or line number of format statement x, y, z. X, y, z are to be printed using this format. 3 refers to all the 3 variables. L5 refers to format for x, format for y, format for z, stop, end. What will happen if this is the output line? First column will be skipped. First column of output will be skipped as 1x is there. Then we have to take how many columns? 5 columns. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is value of x? True. T will be printed here. Then for y, again I have to take 5 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is y? False. F will be printed here. Then go to Z. What is the format? L5. 5 positions, 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is value of Z? False. F is printed. 1x, first column is skipped. Okay. Width of x in printing defined is 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The output is always right justified. Output is always right justified when we are printing logical data. When we are printing logical data, output is always right justified. So what we find? For this true, this T is right justified. It is printed in the last column of L5. This F for Y is also right justified. It is printed in the rightmost column of L5 for Y. Z is false. So value of Z is also right justified. It is printed in the rightmost column of the columns phi given for Z. This is a way of printing logical data in Fortran. Always remember, this is the way of printing logical data in Fortran. After having known these things, let me go for one more. The compound expressions written for logical data. How to write the compound expressions? We can write logical expressions, we can write arithmetic expressions, we can write relational expressions, we can write any type of expressions. If the expression is mixing of these, that expression is known as compound expression. Let me write here compound expression. This type of expression is known as compound expression. Let us see how this is compound expression. A into B arithmetic expression, not logical expression. Arithmetic expression, logical part, arithmetic part, logical part, arithmetic part. Let us assign values to the variables used here so that you can derive some result from this compound expression. Let us suppose that A is given 2, B is given 3, X is 30, Y is 2. Okay. A is assigned with value 2, B is assigned with value 3, X is assigned with 30, Y is assigned with 2. Let us put these values and solve this compound expression. 2 into 3 not, or instead of not, you can use anything, but not is coming for only one variable. So, let me put here or. Not only operated on a single variable. Here we are having 2, so let me use or here. 30 divided by 2 and 30 to the power 2 greater than 30 into 30. What is this? 6 or 15 and 3 3s are 9, it is 900. This is also 900. 6 or 15. 6 is high, 15 is high. Result of this may be taken one in binary, and instead of high, let me write true here for these two. True. And 900 greater than 900, it is false because 900 is equal to 900. So, result coming here is false. What is true and false? It is false. This way we can write compound expressions which uses arithmetic expressions, logical expressions, even relational operators also. And finally, we will arrive at a result. The result will be some logical data. I have written a simple compound expression here. You may encounter more complex compound expressions, and when you are asked to simplify such a more complex compound expressions, you have to use the precedence rules. You have to use the hierarchy of operations. You have to use the order of evaluation allowed by algebra, here allowed by Fortran. The order of evaluation allowed by Fortran for compound expressions is, you would need to first solve parenthesis. first priority is given to parenthesis. If some terms are there inside the parenthesis, some expression is there inside the brackets, solve the bracketed term first. That is, first priority is given to solving the expressions inside the parenthesis. Second priority is given to arithmetic expressions. Second priority is given to arithmetic expressions, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And you know, in addition, multiplication, in arithmetic expressions, the first priority is given to multiplication and division, and after that the second priority is given to addition and subtraction. The third priority here given is to relational operators or relational operations. Third priority given while solving compound expressions is to relational expressions, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, etc. are known as relational operators. So, relational operations are to be solved after solving arithmetic expressions. First priority according to precedence rule for compound expressions is given to solving of parentheses. Second priority given to solving of arithmetic expressions. Third priority given to solving of relational expressions. Fourth priority is given to NOT operation. Fifth priority given to AND operation, and sixth priority is given to OR operation. Okay, so this hierarchy of operations should be remembered while solving the compound expressions. This hierarchy of expressions: first priority, second priority, third priority, fourth priority, fifth priority, sixth priority. The compound expression should be solved according to these priorities, according to these hierarchy of operations. Then only you will get correct result after solving the compound expression. This is about logical data. Let me write a simple program for this so that this article will be completed. This is a small program which uses logical data. Comment line. What is the comment line? Program to recognize positive and negative number. You are required to input some number and the program will read whether the given number is, whether the inputted number is, whether the number read by this program is negative or positive. Read default input device asterisk comma 2A, and what is the format? 2 format F10.2. So A is a real number. Whatever number you enter here, which will be read by the program. I have set one variable here, PAONN, positive and or negative number. Positive and or negative number. Okay, this variable is equal to a greater than 0. This is logical expression. And what will be result of logical expression? Result of logical expression is either true or false. I am using this variable as logical condition here in the logical if then else statement. Because when this expression is solved, this PAONN will be assigned the logical data either true or false. If PAONN, then meaning that if this is true, when this will be true, if actually A is greater than 0. If this is true, then write, that is print, the number is positive. Whatever number you inputted, read by the program, that is number A. If this is true, then what I have to print there? The number is positive. Else, if this is true, then write this. Otherwise, write the number is negative. And if then else statement, if then else, logical if then else statement is ended here. And if, stop, end. Okay, this is a simple program which uses the logical data in the program. This is about logical data. Hope you got it. This is very simple. Thank you.